I am playing Minecraft Roblox.
We are playing both. Right?
Yes.
So you better be good. We are good.
We are yellow and
Saya. Yeah, saya and yellow.
where even are you?
I'm going to hit the people.
Oh, don't even kill people.
Bro! It's AFK! Takbo!
Escape.
It's not AFK anymore. Someone tried to build a house and it got ruined.
Yo!
Wala na, dirty na. Ay, dirty na.
I'm gonna hit the people.
Ano,
That's
dirty
why
Where are you?
I'm hitting a lot of people.
na.
Wait, what? You're there? You're a lot of meters. You're 32 meters.
I know. You're 25 meters. There's a door here. Oh my god.
Please. Bro, I just come to that thing. It's just trash. One's there. One's there.
So I'm corner now. Oh my god, there's
What
people.
did you say?
I hit the people one.
Oh. Another people? Okay,
Like, you're
there.
45 meters
Shinzu.
now.
Okay, Shinzu.
I can only play this in.
Bro, Shinzu.
Where even are you?
Shinzu.
You're down. Magmamain ka sa baba.
Bro, Uy, bakit? Bakit ang layo mo? Layo mo sa akin.
Dito.
Nandun ka pala, oh.
I know, I can see you. You're up in there.
Yeah, I'm up in here.
Yeah, I can see you.
I
Go
can...
in there.
Stay there. I will give you.
Oh my god.
What?
Sword. Please give me a sword now.
I'm okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm
Go
sorry.
walk with you in
Okay. I'll just give you this. I have a sword. I have a sword.
I don't care.
I am sorry.
No, sorry. You're very bad.
Go to me, bro.
I don't want.
I'm sorry.
It's your fault. You will be wrong.
I got iron. Yay.
I don't care.
Let's team out. Of course. Let's team out.
Hey, go away!
Oh my god.
Sword!
Okay.
There's a hole here. May hole.
Okay, kinuha mo na yung sword. Ito na.
You're gonna hit me.
Bro, not. I'll just give you the sword.
Okay, give. Drop.
I just drop it here. It's here. It's here, bro. Don't even kill me.
Come on. Give me a axe. Give me a give mo ko na. Pang mine.
Sige. Oh,
Pang mine pa.
pang mine.
Wala.
Ako. Wait lang. May crafting table ka ba? Ay, ito na. May crafting table ako. Okay, ikaw lang mabantay dito, ha? Okay, wala akong pang mine. Kailangan kasi guys ng ano. Uy! Bro!
I'm sorry. I'm gonna give
Bro!
it.
Or I will kill you.
Ay, tumabi ka. Ayan na.
Okay. Sige, ma-craft ako. Para sa iyo, basta. Gagawa na ako, ha? Gagawa na ako. Tinao!
There's a people here.
Uy, patayin mo yan! Patayin mo yan!
Pinit ako nito kanina.
Ano?
Hit it. Hit natin.
We're animals. We're wild. Yes! Pamatay natin.
He killed him.
Okay, I will give you a
Okay, give me that.
pickaxe.
Give me that. Give me that
Okay.
sword.
I just give you this. It's here.
Give me the sword too. Saka. Tara na. Let's go.
Uy, dahil siya, oh!
Yeah. Let's kill him. Let's kill him again. Kill. Kill mo. Kill mo, boy. Yeah. You kill him?
Yeah. Oh my god, it's a jet.
Oh,
That's
uy,
dark.
naluglubo.
You got a sword. You You got a torch? Oh my god, that thing again? Okay.
Nahita ko,
Ow.
nahita ko.
Yeah!
Nahita ko.
No? Ay, sorry.
Nahita ko. Nahita mo. Na. Boy.
Oh my gosh. Yes! Tara.
Let's go.
Dali.
Let's go, Mike.
Let's go.
Tara, kumain na tayo.
Ay, naya na naman siya. It's gonna kill me!
Yun. Yeah, we kill him.
Maglayas tayo dito. Dali, kumain tayo. Magmain ka dito.
Ano mamay?
Tapos takpan natin.
Oh, wait. What is this? I found something.
What?
It's a dirt.
Where are you?
Ano tong torch?
You have coal?
I don't have one. Oh, wait.
I got 27! But I got 27. Okay. Yes, I can get the torch. I can get the torch. Lift! This is a lift? That's not a torch. This is a torch. Get another. Bro, I might just... Okay, I just got torch and some coals. Where are you?
Meron ako.
Wait, what? Where?
I'm gonna give you the coal. Okay? Just place the i-place mo na lang.
Okay.
Ayun o, maganda.
Oh! Okay.
Sabi mo ko, coal.
Got a lot.
Okay, I'm gonna give you.
If I got iron, bro. It's my last torch. It's really my last use. How does use? Okay, I am mining. Oh God, I fall. Oh God, he's slow. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, Pura. You are here. Okay, I will be here.
Place yung torch.
Okay, I just got the rest. Is the last? Okay, I just...
Place mo na yung torch. Place mo yung torch. It's getting dark, Angelo.
Bro, we need this here.
Oh no, I lost my tool. I lost my axe. Please give me one again.
Bro, you lost your axe.
Yeah, gonna.
Look at
I
this.
don't even have a stick.
Okay, sticks is easy.
Give me a stick. Give me a stick.
Okay, I had another. An axe. I got another axe. That is that's the axe.
It's not a wooden hoe. Mine.
Okay.
Mine.
Just
Yung pang mine.
dali. Ikaw dun sa mga wood. Ako dito sa mga ano.
Okay, fine.
Doon ka sa mga woods. Bro, this dirt. Bro, how there's dirt?
Alright.
Okay, if I got iron, bro. Sa wood ako, okay? Ito yung mahiwagang kuweba. Nakakuha akong cola.
Where is the Uy, wala. Hindi ko na makita yung labasan. I can find the labasan.
Hindi makita. Okay, tatanong ko kung saan yung babasan. Saan ka? Okay, nandito ka? Where? Bro, tinakpan tayo! Tinakpan tayo, Angelo! That's just a takpan.
Be,
Tinakpan tayo. Easy lang yan. Ganto, oh, mamay na ko dito. Mamay na ko dito. Ano? Oh, Angelo, mamamatay na ako! Saan pa ba? Yes! Itakpan mo. Itakpan mo ng mga cobblestone. Bilis. Ano ako sahod? Cobblestone. Because cobblestone is really Pengi ako pang Pengi ako wood. What? Wood? And where are you? Tapos babuntayan ko siya. Bantayan ko siya. Uy, pengi ako wood. Where even are you? Pinakpan ko yung harang, be. Nasaan ka? Dito na ako. Dito sa may mga torch. Okay, dito sa mga torch. Ayun, nandito ka. Hi.
Give me wood. Yung pang yung axe. Pang mine.
Ito, oh. Ay, bibigay ko sa iyo ang mga wood ko.
Okay. Give.
Okay. Yes. 15 woods. Okay?
Okay, fine.
Oh, spruce. That's where are you? Okay, you're there. This thing. I will mine here and you'll mine in the woods. Doon ka sa mga wood. I found iron! I got iron! Okay, interesting. I just got iron. Bam, 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 bam. I'm really lucky. This is lucky. Di ba ang lucky ko? Nakakuha ko iron. Oh my god, I got 5. Yes, I can get boots. But I don't have
Kaya sa ka. You got 5 of them? That's mine more. Yun na mine more.
I got this fucking table. Okay, who's this game?
Who is him?
Fight him!
Fight him!
Uy, wag! Mako.
Corner. Na-corner ko siya.
Uy, wag ako! Bigla kita.
Mamamatay na ako.
Ay! Nandito na naman siya! Yung panda! Dito na naman yung panda!
Di siya
Takpan
yun.
natin!
Di siya yun.
Takpan natin! Nakuha nila!
Alin? Crafting table?
Hindi! Nandito oh. Nahin na naman sila.
Wala ka dyan. Nakahid ako. Nandiyan siya?
Hindi, wala. Wala na. Wala na, buti. Okay, kala ko. Dalawang crafting table natin ha, papaghatian natin.
I'm gonna find a lot.
Okay. May wood naman ako. Yes! Nakakasmalit lang basta. Nakakasmalit ako. Ati tayo dito sa furnace.
Ate din tayo sa iron. Saan finding yan? I can hear them.
Tayo right? Cobblestone?
Mag-record ka? Mag-record ka?
Wait lang, ano?
Mag-record ka ha?
Uy! Iron! 22! Grabe, 22 iron? Oh my gosh! 22 iron! Ay, bakit dito? Bakit dito? Okay, for this calls. Ano?
Ano? Wait lang, ano ko. Uy, nagpasok to ka. No, I'm not hitting you. There's another player. Yes. I just kill him. Kinil mo na? Kinil mo kanina eh. Wala na naman. Tapos na yung ano ko. Tool ko na naman. Kailangan kasi natin i-ano ito. Itakpan. At may nagpasok na naman. Daming cool. Dami kong iron. Ang dami kong coal. Nasa 48 na. 48? Oo, hati tayo dito sa coal. Oo. Ito yung may make ko ito. Oh. Ang daming coal. What? Look at me. What? Look at me. I'm mining it, please. Please. Oh. Nandiyan pa sila? Wala na. Paano sila? Kailangan ko ano. Maganda na yung armor ko. 61 na yung coal armor ko. 61 na yung coal ko. Okay, 61 na. Bra. I got this, ano. Mga iron ingots. Huwag yung mga iron ingots. Oh yeah, I found an iron again. Found an iron. Oh my god, you can smell that. I know. I can just, you know, I can steal all. I'm just. I'm gonna give it to you too. Give ko naman bro. Iron. Bro! I'll be a set of iron though. Bro, I can't even cut that. Oh, I found an iron again. Bro, you're so lucky. You're lucky too. Why iron is really so hard to find? Because we are... Yes, I'll be in the full set of iron. I'll be full set of iron. Ako. Hey, bro. Oh my god. Pipingi ako. Oh my god. Binigyan. Okay, this is now yours. This is yours now. Thanks. I'm gonna find more if I can find. This is now yours. Hey, where are you? I'm mining down. Oh my god, someone is here. Again? He's here. He's here. He's here. You see? Yeah. No. Look it. No. It's after zombie. They are after zombie. Oh, zombie. There's zombie. There's zombie. It's not real, bro. His username is just zombie. Bro, where are you? Please. I'm going. Where is the... Asan na doon? Diyan, ganyan. Yan. Saan na ako? No, this is stone. Okay, nandito ka na. I'm here. Asan ko yung daan? Nasaan naman yung daan? Nasaan ka?
Oh, may 3 iron pa ako.
Nasaan ka? Uy, Angelo.
Shinzo Gaming. Okay na. Nandyan ko.
Yung akin there. Ako'y naharangan.
Ngayon ka, oh. Uy. Hi. Hi.
Uy, be, wala pa akong ano. Uy, wala akong mga ano. Wait lang. Uy, na pala ako.
Dali. Dali, tara. Please, baka kami. Akala ko nawala yung furnace natin. Palay ano lang. Palay ano lang. Bra.
Ubus na yung cobblestone ko. Ay, ubus na yung axe ko. Pickaxe.
Sige.
Pickaxe ko.
Bibigay ko na ito sa iyo. What do you say? Okay. Boss.
Oh, I have two. And you
Yes, I just got this.
Wait,
I just
you
got
pengi ako ng
a
iron.
pickaxe.
Pengi ako ng iron.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Ikaw sinasadya.
Oh my gosh.
Mamamatay na ako. Huwag mo na ako i-hit.
Okay. Me too. Get some food. Because you're my boss. Get some food. For me and you.
But I don't know how to get the food. There's no chicken there.
Chicken.
Uy, wag mo na ako puminahit sa akin. Ikaw?
Hindi, ito ate. Ate. Palagay ay ate. Bro, I will just...
Hindi siya. Hindi siya.
Ay, sorry.
Ikaw naman yun eh.
Sorry. Oh, my bear baga. May Freddy Fazbear. Oh, ito. Si ate. Yung Freddy Fazbear.
Tabi. Ayan.
Freddy Fazbear.
Ini ano niya. Be, papatayin nga natin eh. Namatay. Namatay na siya.
Bakit?
Ano yun? Para pala yung Minecraft yun na ano.
Minecraft mo ka? Bro, I got a lot of diamonds.
Kailangan natin ng chest.
Okay. Lagay natin dito. Oh, para ano, hindi mahanap. Uy, may nadaanan ako. Ay, yung dinaanan mo.
I need the chest. I'm gonna
You need to be here.
Uy, nawala yung isa nating crafting table.
No, wag mo. Wag mo na. Kahit yan. Kahit crafting table. Wag mo na yan.
Bawal pa. Wala pa pala akong iron.
Oh, cool. Meron ka na marami.
Ato, may chest. Chest ulit. Chest ulit.
Pipindutin mo lang yung chest.
Oh, may tao sa baba. Ay, ikaw pala yun. Sorry.
Ano yun? There's a people in our house. Ay!
Di ko hawak yung chest.
Ako naman, natrap ako.
Ano na yan?
Natrap naman ako.
Di ko hawak yung chest.
Ayun. Pag madaan ka, tapos natrap ka, dito ka magdaan. Oh. Ganito, tingnan mo. Ha? Tapos ganito.
Someone got our chest.
Ang lalim ko. What? I found diamonds! What? Ah, yes, okay. Uy, if I got gold, oh my God. I'm the wrong direction or not? Ganito.
Ano naman?
Oh my God! A cave!
Uy,
I'm just joking.
bro. Stop joking.
Okay. Oh, I found iron! It's real!
Alright,
Okay. Oh my God! Thank you, my God. This is...
ano pala yung iron ko?
Oh my God! Wala.
Ah, wala. I have 16 irons.
Okay.
Bigyan mo ako.
16 irons! You!
Huwag mo papakalman ko dito.
Okay. Wait, what?
Bro, how I have no iron if I am mining with an iron? What? I just mine an iron. This is iron pickaxe. Wait, what, bro? How? How I can? We need a stone pickaxe. Bro, if I just see diamonds, oh my god.
Paano isuot yung ano?
Yung what? Bro, you're 61 meters. Guys, pindutin mo ito. Oh my god, you have iron too. You have iron now too.
Pengi pa ako iron.
Bro, I have no iron because I just mined it with iron pickaxe.
Come on, bro.
How? Oh, I had coal. Okay, this is coal. Is that helpful?
Malapit ako sa'yo.
Bro, you're so not nice.
Naka-stuck ka.
What? Stuck?
Naka-stuck ka.
Why? I'm not stuck.
Standing.
But wait, what?
Standing.
I'm just standing?
Standing.
You're lagging too.
Oo, isa na lang to. Last na to.
And who just disconnected? Who just disconnected? You're not even...
Nandito pa ako?
Yes! You're just in here.
Ikaw din.
Bro, I can just kill you.
No! Please! Come on, Angelo.
Okay.
Teammate.
Okay, I'll not kill you. That's now mine. That's now mine.
Angelo!
What?
You're killing me!
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm just here.
What's my
I'm
pickaxe
just here. It's here.
You're just standing!
Something?
Oh no, you're not there anymore.
I just found bedrock.
I found ate!
Boy,
I found ate! Uy, may ate ako nakita! Pinatay ka! Pinatay ka!
Bilis.
Wala na siya. Wala na siya. Inarangan niya
Bro!
ako!
Ano?
Inarangan niya ako!
Inarangan?
Oo!
Okay lang niya, wag mo na siya patayin. Baka mapatay ka ba?
Inarangan niya talaga ako ng wood.
Oh my god. I found some loot. Bro, wait, what?
Okay, where is he now?
Bro, I can drop anything. How? Can't even drop anything.
You're using a mine.
What mine? Oh, I mean the dips.
Be, ayun yung
Bro,
ate! Be, yung ate! Paano pababa? Pababa yung ate!
Bro, I can't even.
Ano to? Ga! Wala ka naman dito.
You're in 32 meters.
Find you here.
Or
You
you?
don't have a grill. Wala kang grill. Ayun yung ate. Wala kang grill dito. Wala kang grill dito. I found him.
What? I am just doing this
I
and.
found her! I found the ate one.
Bro!
found her!
Hey, I am doing this thing and you see.
Stuck mo.
Okay.
Boy, kunin mo dito! Oh, kunin mo!
Bro, I got 44 iron. Yes, I got infinite! I got infinity! I got infinity! I got infinity! Got infinity! Infinity is really cool.
Bro, I got
I just do this? You see, tingnan mo at Chinkay, di ba? Pag ginanto ko, abracadabra. And, bro, another one? Bro! I wanna leave.
No.
I'm joining you.
Okay.
Bro! Bro, I got a lot of iron. Oh, I'm now 12. Shit. Lulubat ko na ito.
Lubot na?
Oo. 30 minutes na tayo. Okay.
May natira pa dito.
An irons. An irons? Okay. Uy, full set ka na.
Ano? I can't even get it. I can see you.
Bakit yun nawala lahat ang gamit ko?
Because you leave.
Bakit yun? Dati naman, ano? Kung may naghukay ha, ano ako yun?
There's a zombie.
Saan ka ba?
Already.
Nasaan ka ba? May mga tao, oh. Yes!
Kita mo na ako?
Wala agad ako.
I see somebody.
Bro! Somebody's he just steal all of your stuff. What? This ate thing.
Hindi yung ate?
Oo. Ate nandito, oh. Yes, I just got him.
Okay.
Uy, wala yung ano gamit. Uy, kinuha niyo yung gamit, ah? Oo. Ano yung gamit, ah?
Oh my God! Nakuha mo na.
Hindi pa.
Sorry.
Ano lang, sand lang.
No! Yung gamit ko! May call, yung 64 call ko na andun.
Ay, kala ko kung sino, sorry. Give me all of your, ano, nandito yung 20 call, oh. Ano lang? Uy, wala na yung chest.
I'm waiting for him. I can see her. I can see her name tag. Saan kaya siya nadaan? Ikaw yun? Nadaanan mo ako?
Give me all of your stuff.
Why? Okay.
Give me a stuff.
Only have this.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you. I am good at Minecraft.
White one.
Okay. Fight. Okay. I need that cutting tool.
I can see him. I can see her. I can see him. Tabi dyan.
Oh my God! I just died.
Sorry. Papatay. Ay, pinapatay niya ako. I'm hitting her. Ay, hit niya ako. I hit her. Ako nag-back ito yun.
Okay.
Saan siya nagdaan?
Shinzu.
Where are you? I'm gonna hit her. Stevie,
Come out, Shinzu. Where are you?
look, there's a people here.
Skibidi! Skibidi I'm.
Inuhulog niya itong mga sand.
I am just killing. No, it's me.
Kala ko kung sila dali.
It's me. Where? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Wait just a second. Okay.
I have an
This is
apple.
okay. Don't give it to me. Okay. A sword.
Yeah, but we're doing this.
Bro, what? What?
Nandito pa yung
What? What is even red? What's even white wool? it's a white. You can make a bed. Make a bed though. Make a bed, dude.
Okay, I can't read it.
Whoa!
What? Why?
Ako!
Why? I didn't even hit you!
You hit me! You
Because bigla ako nakamine. Sorry. I'm lagging. Oh no, I'm lagging. I'm lagging! Oh, I can see which they go. Bro, I'm lagging. You're just staying here. Wait, what? Angelo, hinihit niya ako. Ken! Wait, please. Help me. Hinihit niyo na ako. Give me the sword.
Okay, tabi ka dyan!
I'm sorry.
Yan na yung sword! Bigay ko na sa iyo!
Nasaan?
Yan na, ako!
Hawak ko.
Hawak mo na.
Where?
Hawak, nasa iyo na nga eh. Ayan na.
Dalawa na ang sword ko. Ay, hindi. Ay, joke lang.
Tabi ka dyan. Bakit mahihit ka?
Okay. Okay. Nagano pag papatay.
Let's hit her.
I can just kill him. I can kill him. Because I am really ano.
Hit mo.
Uy, na-stuck kasi ako.
Hinihit ako.
Uy, napapatay ako at ito sword ko ay.
Hindi ako mahit. Tabi!
Ah, yes, I just kill her.
Tabi!
Gamer! Yes!
Yes.
He just died. Okay, kunin mo yung mga stuff.
Stuck ako. Ikaw kumuha. Tabi ka na.
Dali. Mamamatay pa ako. Ay, pati itong...
Kunin mo. Bilis! Takbo!
Dali! Ano mo? Cobblestone! Yan! Yan!
Dali. Come here. I-hit natin sila.
Servants, like and subscribe nga pala rin.
Bigyan mo na ka-video.
Like and subscribe. At 6 subscribers pa lang po ako. Wala pa po ako na.
Hello guys,
Hello guys, we're playing Minecraft Roblox. And we are
Isaiah
and Yellow.
Next are we gonna play is MM2 guys. Yes po. Manood po kayo kasi 6 subscribers pa lang po kami.
Pati 38 minutes na tayo nag-play. Grabe.
I found him!
Where? Nasaan?
He's hitting me! Hit niya ako!
Where?
Dalawa sila! Tara!
Store.
Hit ka niya? Dali! Hindi ako! Someone people in our base! Oh, no one. No one people. I'm gonna... babantayan natin.
Okay, dali.
Babantayan natin siya. I like you.
Ay, nandito natin! Nandito natin!
Babantayan ko. Diba? Pinapatay niya ako! Dead na ako! Ay,
Buti!
nasadip siya lalo. Don't kill me na, okay? Mamatay na ako. I'm gonna eat some 1,000.
Ganyan ka! Yes!
Papansin ko. Po, papansin. Diamonds. I just died too.